Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with an update for my trades for Friday, August 13th, 2021. All right, so let's jump over to our MT4 and take a look and see what we have. All right, guys, so here, let's go ahead and do my GJ trade. GJ is barely hanging on here. Again, I really think that I'm probably going to end up getting stopped out. Here is my stop loss right there. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We kind of if we can continue to get some bullish action without a dip down, then we'll be okay. But if not, it's not going to work. All right, so stop loss is about 36 pips, and we're currently 29 pips in the negative. Let's jump over to our S&P 500. Let's drop down. You guys saw me do that on the 1 minute chart. Our TP1 here. Let me draw this out. All right, our TP1 has been hit. Let's see if let me just change these settings for you guys. Let's do array, and let's do a hot pink so you guys can see. So you guys can see TP1 has been hit. So what I've done is brought my stop loss and profit right up under this zone right here, and that puts me at about 3 pips in profit, and I'll hold on to that until the close of the New York exchange, which is about 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll see. So but currently I'm up 33 pips now. We were up about 44 pips, but kind of getting some retrace back here. Let's drop to the 15 minutes so we just kind of see those candles a little bit better there, so you guys can kind of see the action that that has been taking place. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to just to tap in, just to show you guys what was going on with my trade. Like I said, the S&P 500, I moved my stop loss about 3 pips in profit since the TP1 was hit. Hopefully, technically, this zone right here, let me see if I can draw this out for you guys. Technically, I should keep my stop loss just below. Here, let's change that color, just below this zone right here. Let's go with one of these medium orchids. Okay, yeah, technically it should be below here, but again, TP1 was hit, and the reason why I'm saying it should be below here is because of just market structure. And as a matter of fact, no, I'm gonna leave it there. We'll go off of this zone right here since this zone has been tested. But yeah, technically I probably should be here, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get a push up to some higher highs. But currently this is a risk-free trade for me. So well, actually about let's see, the spread on this is about 8 or 9. So technically, you know, it would be nice to be able to move this 8 or 9 pips, probably somewhere around here. It would be nice to put that there, and then that way at least, you know, yeah, I would get it would be an exact risk-free trade, including the spread. But we'll go right here. Okay, we'll go right here. Again, we drop down to the 1 minute. We kind of have that cushion right here. So hopefully it doesn't come all the way back to test this. But again, like I said, at least we're in a risk-free trade now. At least I'm in a risk-free trade now. So yeah, again, I just wanted to tap in with you guys, let you guys know how the trade is going. I'll tap back in a little later today, whether on my mobile phone or here on my computer, so you guys can take a look at what's going on. So again, GJ almost came, stopped me out, but we'll see. We'll see if that holds. I doubt if it does, but it'll be nice if it does hold for us and give us some type of profit. So, all right, guys. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for mentorship, go ahead and click that join button there on the channel or in the description below. Go ahead and like the video. Feel free to dislike the video, but make sure you hit that dislike button twice to really let me know how you feel about disliking the video. All right, guys. Other than that, always remember, if you stay in God's, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.